just having a quick pop down the allotment. I've been in a meeting with our association, and yeah, there's a thunderstorm coming. It's not raining yet, but I'm going to try and get myself away before it starts. But it's looking very dark over there. So it's just a short walk to the other plot. As you can see, it's kind of following us. Loads of thunder. I haven't seen much lightning, but yeah, loads of thunder. Just missed a big flash right over there. I best get in. Just getting here. Eric's safe. He hasn't been struck by lightning.
Yes.
But it's still there. I missed the flash as well. I did film a short video just before this one, and I missed the flash.
It's still coming over.
But it's really, really dark over there. Eric had pulled these as well before I got there. We've just come to a garden centre to get some bits and pieces, and that's what we were driving into, but then that's what's followed us. So just missed some lightning as well just before I got out of the van. Don't know if you can hear what we're saying, but we've found the tatties, but the heavens have opened outside. It's absolutely bouncing. Oh, where's the van? Right over there. This is horrible! We're right in the storm now. It's right over the top of us. Twister. Yeah. We're like in Twister. Yeah.
Hold on to something tight.
I'm just going to wait here. Ride it out. Just wait.
Two button over to the van, like.
I did tell him to go and get the van and bring it here, like to the entrance, but no. No. Oh, we're going to run for it. It's dried up. Here we go. Oh! We're still in the garden centre because it hasn't let up at all. It's absolutely freezing. I haven't got my coat. It's in the front of the van. And there's no way I'm going out there. It's horrible! What we've been waiting for months though. Yeah, we chanced it because I said it had died off a bit, and I don't think it has. I'm absolutely soaking. That's not too bad for a harvest. We don't think anyway. We like salad potatoes, so we've got how many other tubs? 2, 3. Another 3. Oh, another 2 in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's not bad. A couple of them have got scab on, but I've heard that that's okay if you just peel it off. The others are looking all right, but we do eat a lot of salad potatoes, so yeah, should be all right. We gave up on emptying the rest of the tatties as the heavens opened again. It's thunder and lightning again. Blue skies with thunder and lightning. It's the joy of the northeast for you. See, it's still lashing down the rain, but the sun's out.